bamba, bidi bidi bamba galabes. Hola, how are my cutie cues doing today? I miss you so much. Today, can you guess who we are? We are Selena. I am so excited. Selena is so beautiful. I love everything about her. I just, growing up, watching her movie, I mean, me and my sister used to love watching that movie. We both love Selena. She's an amazing artist. Just beautiful from the inside out. Before we even get into the food, before we even get into the conversation, I would like to give Selena a moment of silence. Selena is no longer with us. She is a beautiful spirit, beautiful soul, and I would like to give her a moment of silence. So I am super duper excited to be Selena today. You guys requested Selena and I'm so glad you did. This was one of her looks, half up, half down. She has beautiful earrings. She always wore beautiful earrings. I don't know if they were clip-on earrings or what, but these earrings were so beautiful that she wears. She has a beautiful red lip on all the time. And her makeup is always so beautiful. And in the movie, it said one of her favorite things to eat was pizza. And I was in the mood for pizza. So we're going to have pizza. And I have pepperoni and bacon pizza here. And we also have some loaded fries with some delicious cheese on it. Pizza. Selena loved hot sauce on her pizza. And I love hot sauce on my pizza as well. And I'm just so excited to get into this food, you guys. Shout out to all the Selena fans. Shout out to her family. Shout out to her loved ones. This is going to be so good. I'm hungry. So we are on 31 days of Halloween. Today is the day 20. The 22nd, you guys, at Selena. I'm ready to dig in, you guys. Bidi bidi bamba. Bidi bidi bamba. This is good. Ooh. Mm. Mm-mm. That is very good, you guys. With the Tabasco. Oh my goodness. So good. Hot sauce on pizza is so delicious. A lot of people do that. Put hot sauce on pizza. I've been putting hot sauce on pizza since forever. But I realized that a lot of people put hot sauce on their pizza. So, if you don't know who Selena is, but Selena was a Mexican-American Grammy Award-winning artist. The best way to get an understanding of who she was, Jennifer Lopez played her in the movie. In 1997, Jennifer Lopez played Selena in her movie, and if you guys haven't seen it, I definitely recommend watching it. It just talks about her life, you know, just basically her story, how she started. her upbringing, her death, her success, just everything about her. And me and my sister used to love watching that movie. Jennifer Lopez did an amazing job. Amazing. I mean, she had her down pat, her body language, everything. What I love about Selena, you know, not only was she an amazing artist, amazing singer, but when you look at her story and look at who she was a beautiful person. I mean, just beautiful. She's one of those people where it's just like, you are just so perfect. Like, everything about you is just so perfect. That's how I felt when I watched her. She loved her family. She loved her friends. She just loved everybody. She always wanted to laugh. Always laughing. Always smiling. Always in a good mood. Just so sweet. So sweet. When I was in 5th grade, I had a Mexican friend. Her name was Maria. And she was so sweet. She put me onto like so many different hot sauces and snacks. And she was a big fan of Selena. I wonder how she's doing now. She probably has kids and married. Bitty bitty bamba. Bitty bitty bamba. And me and my sister would dance and sing along to the words. We did not know the words of that song because obviously it's in Spanish and we don't know Spanish. But we tried as hard as we could to figure out what she was saying. Late at night when all the world is sleeping, I stay up and dream of you. I love that song. 'Cause I'm dreaming of you tonight. Selena is very popular for Halloween costumes because she's just so beautiful. So beautiful. I mean, hair. My favorite look of hers is half up, half down, or up in a bun. I liked her hair pulled back or updos was my favorite look of hers. That girl, Selena, was very powerful. When she was on stage, I mean, she grabbed the audience's attention. And there's one part in the movie, I definitely recommend you guys watch the movie, but there's one part in the movie where she was in concert outside, and it was so packed, so crowded, that the people that were closer towards the stage were starting to get injured and trampled on. The stage was starting to break down, and she just so powerful and commanded the crowd to quiet down and calm down and just let me sing. She had a voice of an angel. She just was so beautiful. Her energy, just everything about her, it was just so beautiful. I think she's a great role model. And she will never ever be forgotten. She will never be forgotten. Because her fans and her family keep her alive. But Jennifer Lopez did a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful job playing Selena. I mean, I just couldn't believe how much she looked like her. Let me know down below if you're a fan of Selena. Baby, mama. I am full, you guys. Got 2 slices of pizza left. Ate my fries. Alright, you guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video as Selena. Shout out to you if you are a Selena fan. God bless you. God bless her family. May Selena continue to rest in peace. She was a beautiful person. I definitely encourage you guys to watch the movie Selena that Jennifer Lopez played in. She did an amazing job on that or that movie. I will see you guys tomorrow. I love you all so much, and I'll see you guys tomorrow for another video. Bye. Mwah. Hey.